What's good YouTube, and welcome to another video. I'm Ezekielo. So today I have with me one of the two best portable Bluetooth speakers you can get on the market right now, the JBL Flip 4 and the JBL Pulse 3, which was just released a few weeks ago. So these are one of the two best portable Bluetooth speakers you can get on the market right now. Yes, you heard me right. The Flip 4 is going to run you $100, while the JBL Pulse 3 is going to run you $200. This is a 16 watt speaker, while the JBL Pulse 3 is a 20 watt speaker. The JBL Flip 4 has a frequency response range of between 70 to 20 kHz, while the JBL Pulse 3 has a frequency response range of between 65 to 20 kHz. Both of their battery lives are rated at 12 hours, but definitely you all know that will depend on your music volume and the type of content you're listening to. Both of these speakers are IPX7 waterproof, so you can submerge them in water. You're not going to have any problems whatsoever. When you dunk both of these speakers into water, you see that the JBL Flip 4 as always sinks, while the Pulse 3 kind of floats. And you all have to bear in mind, both of these speakers don't have any standard USB port for charging devices. I would have expected that, especially from the JBL Pulse 3, which cost $200. But it's what it is. There are some things also that differentiates the JBL Flip 4 from the JBL Pulse 3. Pulse 3, as you know, is a 360-degree speaker, so you're getting 360 degrees omnidirectional sound, and you also get a 360 degrees light show. The Flip 4 does not have that. You have to bear that in mind. Coming to design and ruggedness, I would say I slightly prefer the JBL Flip 4. Why? It's much more rugged. As you can see, it doesn't have any plastic really. It's made of tough rubber and this woven fabric material, while the JBL Pulse 3 have this woven fabric material. Then at the top you've got this thick plastic material which will be prone to scratches over time, so you have to bear that in mind. The Flip 4 comes with this strap which makes it easier to carry around, while the JBL Pulse 3, no strap whatsoever, no handle whatsoever. You always have to hold it like this. But the Flip 4, you've got this nice strap which is really cool. I don't know why they didn't include that in the Pulse 3. Having said all the similarities and differences, most of you have asked me, is the Flip 4 louder than the JBL Pulse 3, or is the JBL Pulse 3 louder than the Flip 4? I'll be now cranking both of these speakers to the maximum, and we'll see how they hold up against each other. So let's get right to it.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin, and just levitate.
Once you crank up the volume on the JBL Flip 4 above 60%, it loses bass, while on the Pulse 3 it still has some kick to it even at max volumes, but definitely also loses some bass, but not as much as the Flip 4. As most of you know, the JBL Flip 4 is tuned to dish out more treble, while the Pulse 3 is slightly tuned flatter. You get a much balanced sound profile on the Pulse 3, while on the Flip 4 you get lots of treble, which makes it sound very loud for each size. But definitely for me, my choice, I personally go with the JBL Pulse 3, even though I know it's much more expensive. It's twice the price of the Flip 4, but I think this is much better to have for a long period of time than the Flip 4. Although it's not that portable, but it's still portable when compared to the like JBL Extreme and all that. It's much more portable. You can easily fit it in a bag and you're good to go. I also get a 360 degrees light show when you need it. The Flip 4 does not have that. If loudness is what you're after, the Flip 4 definitely does the job without any issues whatsoever. And also you have to bear in mind you're paying $100 for this, $100, while the JBL Pulse 3 you're going to be paying $200. So you're definitely paying for the 360 degrees light show and sound experience, while these, as you all know, the speakers are just front facing. They are not 360 degrees at all. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you an idea of how both of these speakers stack up against each other. If it was, be sure to share it, and also feel free to check out other videos on this channel. That was pretty much it. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.